Hey everybody, my name is Fuego Mooie and I'm a senior software engineer. And today I have a really great video planned out for you guys. I'm going to be reacting to the new launch video for the Apple Vision Pro. And you know, since I'm a software engineer, I'm uniquely qualified to review this product, obviously, being an expert and all. So why don't we just jump right into the content? I'm going to start watching the video and yeah, let's get into it.
Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here.
Okay. Usually could use a little work. Not really feeling that.
When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see your world and everything in it. Your favorite apps live right in front of you, but now they're in your space. This is Vision OS, Apple's first ever spatial operating system.
Ooh, so they have a new OS to launch their product, the VR headset. Or is it AR? I think it's AR since it's augmented. Looks like it's not gonna be VR. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Like entirely new OS. Dope.
It's familiar, yet groundbreaking. You navigate with your eyes. Simply tap to select, flick to scroll, and use your voice to dictate. It's like magic.
So it looks like it's going to be controlled with 3 senses: vision, touch, somewhat, since you're like gesturing, and then also sound, auditory. I think that's cool. I mean, I know me personally, I don't like necessarily broadcasting what I'm doing to everyone around me. So, I mean, even in the demonstration, it looks like they're really just the model's using it by herself. So that's probably how most people would use it if they were to use this product. If I was to use it, that's probably the same. I don't feel comfortable telling people, oh, let's go to the photos, or oh, let's go to Instagram, oh, let's go to TikTok, you know? Like, yeah, I wouldn't want to do all that, but so far it looks cool. I really like the UI. It's pretty clean.
Apps have dimension, react to light, and cast shadows.
Oh wow, that's a pretty cool touch. Like casting shadows from pretty much the UI, the fake icons and imagery that they're creating for you to interact with onto the real surfaces. That's a pretty cool integration, and I could see that technology being used for other things for sure. Like if they ever want to enhance like video games, things like that, or even kind of like real live demos. Like imagine, yeah, it would just be really cool technology. I can't think of a good example, but there's some possibilities there for sure.
Even though these spatial experiences are happening inside Vision Pro, it looks, sounds, and feels like they are physically there. Foundational to Apple Vision Pro is that you're not isolated from other people. When someone else is in the room, you can see them and they can see you.
That's pretty dope. That's kind of reinforces the idea that this is AR instead of VR. Like VR is just virtual, so whatever's in your real immediate surroundings, that's replaced by what the developers and the engineers and the product they want you to see. Whereas AR incorporates what's really in your environment and augments it. That's what the A in AR stands for. And augments it with whatever their digital product interactions offers. So that's pretty interesting. That being said, you look like Buzz Aldrin with this, like Buzz Lightyear for real, with this headset on. Like if you imagine someone walking around with those on their head. I hope that doesn't become a thing. Like this, yeah, like. Probably looks cool so far, but I don't know, something about having this big old clunky headset I'm not feeling. But you know, we'll keep going in the video. Maybe it'll change my mind, maybe.
Because you're not limited by a display, apps live in your space. Your photos can be life-size, or any size. So your living room becomes a gallery. And panoramas wrap around you as if you're right where you took them.
Crazy idea, but I could see this being really useful for like people who make videos, videographers, directors, editors. Like imagine you're not limited to the size of your monitor, whereas you have this virtual display that can be as big as you want, as small as you want, so you can test your product on any size. Like that could be pretty cool. That's a pretty cool functionality. So I hope they play with that a little bit more. That could be very cool. They can change the resolutions and things like that, graphics, even like people who make games, like truly, you know, some cool visual applications you can place with this.
Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first ever 3D camera. Now, you can capture photos and videos with remarkable depth and relive a memory as if you're right back in the exact moment.
Hey, Dad!
Yo, that is like some real Black Mirror like shit there. That is some real Black Mirror stuff right there. I definitely remember there was an episode where you could see memories, like you can relive your memories, and that's exactly what that vibe gives off to me. I mean, granted it's like only like videos and pictures you recorded, but like what's to separate that from actual memories? And who knows where this could go in the future? Maybe if you wear the headset while you're doing those things, it pretty much becomes like your vision of the memory. And if the headset becomes so small that they're indistinguishable, pretty crazy. We're really going towards Black Mirror. That's what we're doing.
Experiences on Vision Pro can also expand in 3 dimensions, filling the entirety of your space. Like in the Mindfulness app, where you can create a moment of calm.
I could definitely see that Mindfulness app being pretty cool. Like as a form of relaxation, Zen finding. Yeah, that sounds like it could be very, very, very simple to do from a tech level, but also like very useful for a user. Definitely. It'd be cool to really try these out. Like it'd be awesome if like you could actually go to the Apple Store and give these a go. I wonder if they're gonna allow that. I mean, yeah.
Apple Vision Pro brings the scale and wonder of a movie theater to whatever space you're in. It automatically darkens and casts a beautiful glow into the room. And you can make the screen as big as you want. Spatial audio surrounds you and makes you feel like you're a part of the action. And for an extraordinary cinematic experience, you can bring in a beautiful environment and make your screen feel 100 feet wide.
Okay, that could be pretty tough, for sure. For viewing entertainment, definitely that could be cool. Like, I already talked about from the maker's point of view. From the consumer point of view, like, that would be so lit. You can have a screen as big as you want, as small as you want. And then imagine if you and multiple people have the same headset, y'all could like share view or whatever, and like pretty much see exactly the same thing each other's seeing. That would be pretty awesome. Big facts. Oh man, yeah, that sounds pretty cool actually.
Vision Pro is a wonderful way to play your favorite games. Just connect your controller and play on a massive screen with incredible audio.
There we go. So yeah, pretty much the regular gaming experience. I'm honestly a little interested though, like how would they have that connected into maybe like HDMI or something. I don't know. That's probably a little simple. Yeah, I would be curious to see how they integrate it to connect to say a PlayStation or Xbox or a Nintendo Switch, or you know, even how old can the games go. I'm assuming it's only going to be the latest gen consoles, because like realistically, why would they go back to make it compatible with older systems? But I'd be curious. I'd imagine it probably work the best with PC, but you know, you never know. It might not work with PC. Who knows? We're kind of in uncharted territory, so yeah. But I'm very impressed by what I've seen so far. Very impressed.
With Apple Vision Pro, you can create the perfect workspace, no matter where you are. The web comes to life at fantastic scale. text is crisp and easy to read. Browsing the internet feels new. And Safari expands so you can see all your open tabs. Your favorite apps from Apple and the App Store are there.
Okay, I would say probably the workflow part, that's probably going to be the least popular aspect of this product. I mean, like, I see why they would want to launch with it. You kind of have to have it. Because otherwise this thing can only be used to watch movies and video games and call people, I'm guessing. But there's other things, like, I think people are too accustomed to, say, checking their text on their phone, or like, so when you have the option, right? I think people are gonna gravitate towards checking on their phone as opposed to putting on their headset and checking. If the headset's already on and you're doing other things, then you wanna check, that makes sense, right? But like, no one's gonna buy this product to do those things. But what I will say is, if it's very easy, and I guess surfing the web and things like that, I mean, yeah, people are most likely gonna do that on their phone. But if you make it very comfortable and easy to do while you're wearing the headset, then it's more likely to happen, I would say.
You can arrange them however you like and work seamlessly across them.
Hi. Hey.
Hi, did you receive the deck?
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. Oh, great.
So what did you think?
FaceTime looks and sounds amazing in Apple Vision Pro. You see people life-size, and with spatial audio, you hear them as if they're right in front of you. So conversation is more natural, and collaborating becomes even easier.
All right, maybe I'll get to it later in the video, but all right, so it makes sense that you can see them pretty crisply, especially like since you're watching like 4K movies and video games and everything, right? But like, what are they seeing when you FaceTime them? Like, are they seeing like just, I don't even know. Like, where could a camera fit in there to make it make sense for what they would see? So I hope they cover that, because that would be an interesting thing. But I do see FaceTime as being a cool way to use this.
And because you see the world around you, you can glance at a notification and even connect your Mac simply by looking at it, turning a 13-inch screen into a giant display. In Apple Vision Pro, you can also transform your space. Beautiful environments let you extend beyond the dimensions of your room. Like on a plane. You can now watch a movie on a huge screen in a stunning location. And you control just how immersed you want to be.
Okay, using it on an airplane actually sounds fantastic. That's probably the best location to use something like this. Think about it. It's dark, you can't move, it's not really a social location. Yeah, and yeah, definitely, yeah. I think this is a fantastic bang up opportunity. So I think trying to come up with more places like that where you can use this product would make this product have more value, in my opinion. But yeah.
To make all these digital experiences feel real in your space takes an extraordinary amount of technology. Yet Apple Vision Pro is remarkably compact and beautiful. A single piece of three-dimensionally formed laminated glass acts as a lens through which the cameras and sensors view the world. It flows seamlessly into a lightweight aluminum alloy frame
Sounds pretty cool.
that gently curves to wrap around your face. And we designed a modular system so you can find the right fit. The light seal keeps stray light from your eyes, and a soft frame gently flexes and conforms to your unique features. The headband is 3D knitted to provide cushioning, breathability, and stretch. And a high-performance battery reduces weight to a minimum and slips easily into your pocket. Because you wear Apple Vision Pro and your eyes are covered, we engineered a system that uses advanced machine learning to represent you realistically when you're in FaceTime. Your persona dynamically reflects your face and hand movements.
I'm doing well, thanks.
So when you're chatting,
How's Berlin?
people see your eyes, hands, and true expressions.
Okay. This part I don't know about. I mean, it's very easy for this to go like just horrible. It's very easy for that to just go horrible. So I mean, based off like how well they implemented it, you know, it could be a nice feature. Otherwise, you could just look funny and look weird. And every time you go on FaceTime, people make fun of you because you got a little AI avatar. I don't know. I'm not crazy about this idea. I'm not crazy about it. If I could change anything, what would I do? What would I do differently? I don't know. That's a hard question. But yeah, I don't know. I gotta see how it actually performs. If it performs well, then hey, you can't hate it. But if it doesn't, then yeah.
To convincingly place content in your space took thousands of groundbreaking innovations and custom technologies. Since your eyes see the world with incredible resolution, we built a micro OLED display system that fits 64 pixels in the same amount of space as a single iPhone pixel, and packs 23 million into 2 panels the size of a postage stamp. That's more than a 4K TV for each eye, giving you jaw-dropping, lifelike clarity. Apple Vision Pro also features our most advanced spatial audio system ever. Personalized sound is delivered directionally to your ear, and audio ray tracing uses sophisticated sensors to understand the materials and objects in your room, so sound feels like it's coming from the world around you. 3D mapping provides a detailed understanding of walls, furniture, and even people, so all experiences look, sound, and feel like they are physically there.
That's pretty cool. Something I just thought about is like, how does this fit with like people who wear glasses? Like, can they wear this device over the glasses? I assume they made it with that assumption or that thought in mind. But I wonder if like with like how the high fidelity of the pixels and just the visuals in general, like do people experience eye fatigue pretty quickly, especially since the screens are so close to your face? So that's something to keep track of. I'm curious.
To power a spatial computer like Apple Vision Pro required an innovative dual-chip design. M2 provides phenomenal performance, and a brand new chip, R1, processes sensor data at incredible speed, virtually eliminating lag.
That's pretty cool. They came with a new chip just for this product. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like a low-tech guy. I'm more focused, much more on the software sides of things. Definitely not a hardware guy. But maybe I'll make a video where I try to do something hardware, you know? That would be pretty interesting. That being said, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I wonder what kind of patents and new innovations they had to make in order to create that R1 chip.
So experiences take place in real time, right in front of your eyes.
Low delivery, great ball inside!
A stunning new way to use the apps we love. A powerful way to relive our memories. A profound new way to be together. And a magical way to be immersed in entertainment. The era of spatial computing is here. This is Apple Vision Pro.
All right, folks. Well, there you have it. Just saw the intro video for the Apple Vision Pro. Pretty cool product. I thought the features they demonstrated were interesting, all of them. You know, I could see all of them becoming very impactful to everyday life. I think some of the pros of this product are just visually what it can do in terms of capturing your attention, imagination. If you think about entertainment, creativity, this product offers a lot in those spaces, and I definitely think that people will enjoy that aspect of it. I think maybe some of the criticisms or something to think about, or yeah, how used to having a device around your head people are, and how willing they would be to like lose some of their sensory input, like visual, audio input, just to work on this device, where they could probably do the same thing on their phone. That is a huge drawback, or at least something to consider for the Apple team. But overall, I'm very excited about the product. I think it's something that they're gonna keep developing and keep working on, and I think we're gonna have new competitors in the space very soon. And when they do their own videos and drop their own introductions, I'm gonna review those too. So thanks again for watching the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment, click subscribe. Let me know what other content you think I should make. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.